I served 20 years in the Navy and retired. And now I get to show people how to take care of their skin. I love it. My girlfriend who was on the ship with me, she started her Mary Kay business, and I fell in love with the business opportunity first. Once I got my starter kit, that's when I tried the products and then fell in love with the products. In the Navy, I was always told what to do. Even still being a commander, I still had a boss that I had to report to. So being able to go from time being dictated to you're in control of your time and you get to choose what you want to do was one of the hardest things that I had to go through because I didn't know how to structure my time and structure my day. Figuring out what you like to do is the best advice I would give right now. And once you figure that out, a lot of things will fall into place. So I love being able to get up in the morning and take my little one to the bus stop, watch him get on the bus, wave to him as the bus passes by. I get to go work out at 7:30 now, which is still kind of early, but it's on my own time and my own schedule. I love being able to take day dates with my husband during the day now, which never happened before. I don't even know if we ever went on a date in my 20 years in the Navy. I love my life. I love my life right now. I love that I chose Mary Kay because I have the best girlfriends that anyone can ask for on the planet. I love that I get to work this business around my family. I love that I get to show my kids how to work a business and to make goals and not hit goals and to pick yourself back up and to keep going. I love the fact that I get to sit down with women and help them take better care of their skin, as well as share this opportunity with them, the best opportunity on the planet. I am Kimberly George, and my Mary Kay business just fits me.